God knows where you guys are watching me from, but this is Roger Chowdhury, signing in with you from BFN, the Business Financial Network. And today we had a pretty exciting day in the markets. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if you guys got a chance to check it out, but the markets did have a better rally than they did yesterday. Yesterday was a pretty big red day. Today they had an opportunity to basically balance out and give a little bit less pressure to a lot of these large cap companies. So I don't know if you guys are aware or not, but obviously Tesla and Apple and Amazon just seem to keep on climbing. So you got to ask yourself, what's going on with the appetite? Well, you know, when you consider the pandemic and how it's affected people and how people are working from home, the more and more people that are sitting around at home that aren't actively working, there's much more retail interest and retail investors that are involved in the market space. And there's never been this amount of people sitting around being involved in trading ever before. With the help of the Robin Hoods and Squares, millennials have been able to come in and do crowdfunding type of investment instruments where they can get a portion of a Tesla, an Apple, or a large cap Amazon stock. So what happens is that these large cap stocks are trading not only at a fundamental 10 to 18 multiple on earnings. Some of these large cap companies are trading at 40, 30, 45 multiple time their earnings. So what happens is now you have a huge overbought situation. And we are at the opinion here at BFN and the Private Trading Club that a lot of these large cap companies do still have uptrends. However, we also are of the opinion that when you're able to place investments strategically in a timing and position manner in these small cap entities, there's a tremendous much more upside. You have an opportunity to go a 10, 20, 30 multiple. And with me saying that, a lot of times people want to know, why are so much people into trading right now? Like, what's going on with trading? Well, I personally think that if people can't work out there, people are going to find a way to get a piece of the matrix. So that's what's happening. And you need to understand, when these companies go public and there's all these IPOs, what happens is all these companies, institutions are investing in them. Capital raising firms are getting in to these stocks before they hit the public market. And that means that there's going to be selling pressure. So as you can see here from this most recent news release on January 4th, the company here, Grande West, a Canadian manufacturer of mid-sized multi-purpose transit vehicles in Canada and the United States, is reporting the current deliveries in the fourth quarter of 2020, the first quarter of 2021. The third quarter of management discussion and analysis, the company's promised to provide a corporate update on expected deliveries. As disclosed, the company has ordered to deliver over 40 million before the second half of 2021. This is a very positive step towards regaining profitability and increased liquidity after negative results of the pandemic. The company has started delivery of a large order of over 90 buses. The original target set in summer of 2020 was to deliver these buses before the year end. Approximately 75% of these buses are in process of being delivered, but a vast majority will be delivered in the first quarter of 2021 due to COVID-related slowdowns and at the manufacturing plant and the difficulties securing transportation for the buses. The remaining 25% of this order will also be delivered during the first quarter of 2021. All the other orders expected for delivery before the end of the second half of 2020 are on track. The company is also expecting the first electric buses, the Vicinity Lightning, to be completed and ready to promote to its customers in early 2021. The first delivery to customers for EV buses is scheduled for 2021. William Trainer, President and CEO, stated, "This is an exciting time to be part of Grande West. We've created products built for communities with the impact on customers and the environment first and foremost. Our company is positioned well for next stage growth. We are refocusing our efforts in the US by building new manufacturing plants and increasing our market's exposure where possible through new existing networks. The prospects for Grande West have never been better. The company has also announces a certain eligible directors have requested their respected directors' remuneration for the calendar 2020 year to be paid in deferred shares, DSUs, and accordingly the company has granted 14,404 DSUs in connections with the directors' remuneration for Q4. Additionally, the company has advises that it has come to its attention that it has inadvertently did not press release the DSUs initially granted under its DSU plan in 2019. Accordingly, the company advises that during 2019, it has issued 108,403 DSUs to its eligible directors who had elected and received their respective directors' remunerations for 2019 in DSUs. These DSUs were reported in quarterly financial statements filed on SEDAR. So first and foremost, this company's never been in a position to be as exciting as it is right now. They're also being honest about what they're paying their directors. They're giving up deferred share units, meaning directors in the company are not taking cash, they're taking a deferred share unit in the future. So ladies and gentlemen, this stock going up as much as it went up today, like let's go over that, let's look at that right now. It went up today over 13%. I'm telling you right now, we are of the mind here at BFN that this stock is worth a $10 valuation minimum, and it is going to do that very, very soon, especially after they're mentioning in this press release that they're delivering 90 vehicles to the tune of 40 million, and directors aren't taking cash takedowns, they're getting paid in deferred stock share units, meaning the stock is going to go up. So again, if you haven't gotten into it yet, you still have an opportunity to get into it. This, we believe, in our opinion, is going to do very well. Another company that we want to mention that extremely well today is in another emerging market in telemedicine, Skylight Health Group. It currently trades on the Canadian Securities Exchange, but it just released a press release just the other day that it's going to be trading on the Canadian Venture Exchange. So it's graduating, I believe, on Wednesday to the Venture Exchange, and today it enjoyed a really lofty, rise today. So as you can see today, the stock went from $1.20 start of the day, reached a top of $1.40 and came down and found a new floor at $1.31. So again, to all of our subscribers, to all of our members in our private trading, live trading group, congratulations. We've been positioned in security at 113, 112. So I'm sure you've done well with that. So this stock, just to talk to you guys a bit about this stock, let's look at their website. Care for when and where you need it. So these guys are a telemedicine play. The pandemic's going on. Everybody's stuck at home. The only way to get healthcare is through the phone or through online. We believe that the quality of care should be delivered in a way you used to be, highly accessible and uncompromising in quality. We are committed to providing the best care to you and your family. The Skylight Promise, we bring the focus back to you. For people looking for high quality and affordable healthcare, we are a multi-specialty provider that is uncompromising in the pursuit of outstanding care to our patients and delivering integrated medical services with compassion and care. Personalized healthcare with doctors who know your name. We believe that in healthcare, like it used to be, our primary care physicians take time to listen, diagnose, treat you based on your specific needs and medical history. You are never just a number. You are a top priority. Are you ready for this one? Proudly serving more than 120,000 patients across the US. Skylight Health proudly serves our patients from Washington to New Jersey, from Texas to Pennsylvania. Contact us to find out how we can help you with your healthcare needs. Need I say more? The stock's at $1.31. It serves 120,000 US patients. That was the number on this website. It's 150,000 now, and it's only growing, okay? So, the one thing I gotta say to you guys is, if you're not watching, you're not winning, and congratulations to all our members. Thank you very much for spending the time with us. God bless. This is Roger Chowdhury signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Take care.